Welcome to Fushimi Inari Shrine, a place of ancient wonder and modern-day tourists must do when you're in Kyoto, Japan. Did you know that this sacred shrine is dedicated to Inari, the Shinto deity of rice and prosperity? And Fushimi is known for the town with good spring water. And as you enter, you see these iconic red Torii gates with that mystical atmosphere that draws visitors from around the world. The Torii gates are a symbol of Inari's power, and they're said to bring good luck to those who pass through them. So the more gates you pass through, perhaps the more good luck you'll receive. So if you're looking for a boost of luck, then be sure to hike all the way to the top of Mount Inari. But even if you're not looking for luck, Fushimi Inari Shrine is still a great place to visit. The shrine is surrounded by a beautiful forest, and the hiking trails offer stunning views of Kyoto. So whether you're a spiritual seeker or just a nature lover like ourselves, Fushimi Inari Shrine is sure to please. And here are 5 tips for parents to help you make the most of your visit to Fushimi Inari Shrine with your little ones. Number 1. Get there early. The shrine is busiest in the afternoon, so if you can, try to arrive before 10 a.m. to avoid the crowds. This will give you plenty of space to explore and take photos without having to fight your way through the throngs of tourists over there. Number 2. Bring a baby carrier or a stroller. There are a lot of steps at Fushimi Inari Shrine, especially if you want to hike all the way to the top. So if you have small children, you'll at least want to bring a baby carrier there. Now if you actually prefer strollers, you'll be glad to know there are also some ramps and walkways on the sides of the shrines that make it easier for you to navigate with the stroller around the shrine's general area as well, but without the hike to the top, of course. Number 3. Enjoy the street food as a family. There are lots of delicious street food stalls near Fushimi Inari Shrine, so be sure to grab some snacks before or after your visit. You can find everything from fresh seafood to traditional Japanese delicacies. Enjoy the delicious Japanese food! Number 4. Let your children, be children to roam around the shrine. The shrine surrounding areas are a great place for kids to run around and explore. There's also a tea shop where they can get refreshments and take a break right with you. Number 5. Check the weather. Fushimi Inari Shrine is located in a mountain area, so we found that it's best to enjoy the beautiful shrine and the surrounding areas when it's sunny outside. We totally avoid the rainy days, especially when you have the kids with you. Here are some fun facts about Fushimi Inari Shrine. Number 1. Fushimi Inari is one of the oldest shrines in Japan, dating back to the year 711. Number 2. There are over 5,000 Torii gates at the Fushimi Inari Shrine, making it one of the most impressive sites in Kyoto. Number 3. The hike to the top of Mount Inari takes about an hour, and it's well worth the effort for the stunning views. Number 4. Fushimi Inari Shrine is a popular spot for weddings, and it's said to be a lucky place to get married, so you might spot one when you're there. And lastly, number 5. The foxes that are messengers of Inari are often seen at Fushimi Inari Shrine. They're said to bring good luck and prosperity. And before we conclude our journey at this shrine, take a moment to explore the beautiful grounds surrounding the main shrine. Immerse yourself in a tranquil ambience and have a sip of the green tea at one of the traditional tea shops inside the shrine area and experience the Zen. Truly, Fushimi Inari Shrine is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Japan. It is a place of reverence, inspiration, and a symbol of the country's long-standing traditions. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating adventures around the world. And we hope you enjoy your visit to Fushimi Inari Shrine.